Hello guys, today we'll check how many trade opportunity we got, where we got using this CPR method, and if we could have been successful for today for this using this CPR trading, and how many stop loss actually one new trader can get today. So these all are the analysis for which one I'm trying to give it on every day since I'm a working person. Whenever I'm getting time, I'm able to analyze and give it in market hours also. I am trying to do that one whenever I'm getting some free time, and I am posting in evening if I'm getting time. So I'll try to post on every day, on every weekend. I will provide some strategy. Okay, so we'll analyze the things according to that strategy. Okay, so we'll start with look at these things. First of all, first candle it was a doji candle. Okay, since this is a 9:15 to 20 candles, and we all are thinking that if it breaks, then it can be a 920 strategy. Okay, but we have to think one thing here. There is a closing. This is a closing price. Okay, and most of the time what happens, yesterday closing acts as a good support and resistance. You can see from there it took a bounce, then it came and pulled down to here. Again it took a bounce back. So basically we can have a trade here. Here we can have a trade. Why? Because market from here closing it took support. First time it went, second time it make a bullish pin bar, then it went to up. Okay, so first trade we are getting here. Second trade, I'm clearing this one. Second trade when we are will get now 1 second. So second trade, this when this breaks this one. Okay, so here we are we for a scalping trade here it is breaking, so easily we can capture here 1 is to 2. Okay, third when we'll get, the first time it is making here red candle means people, it is showing that bearish people are getting activated. Second time when this is making a M pattern, you take a trade here up to yesterday high. Okay, so basically two trade you are getting, three trade you are getting, and you are successful. But some people will be having stop loss where that also I will tell you. I'm clearing this one. You can check it break here and it went. Okay, people will think that this is a fake breakout, and again when it is retest with green candle here it make a green candle, they will think that it will go up to here. But things what happen, it didn't work today. It didn't work. It got stop loss hurt and it clear over here. Okay, so this is not worked. So one trade here we are you winning. Second trade here a small trade you are winning. Third trade here you are winning. Fourth trade you are losing. Okay, fifth trade also you are not here. If you are thinking that this is the 230 and it is breaking the previous day high, then I can take a trade. You are getting profit for sometimes, but finally it come to off. So there is no loss and low profit. This is all about the today's day how it is behaved. And this, believe me, if you are not an experienced trader, this kind of market, it will make you suffer a lot. So I believe what you have to do, you for this type of trade you have to practice a lot. This type of day you have to practice a lot, otherwise you will having multiple of stop loss it. See, people who will think that this is a 920 strategy, here they will take a trade, they will be having one stop loss hit. then they will think market is breaking here. Here it is breaking, but it is not going to the R1 level. Okay, it is not surpassing the R1 level. Okay, people who is thinking that it is breaking and will take a trade, here he will get a stop loss. Okay, so since, as I always tell, whenever a resistance or support it is getting broken, we have to see whether candle is closed over or down to that resistance or support. Then only we can think that is a proper breakout and we can take a trade. And also we have to check whether some time has been spent by that candle, or some time has been spent, then it is breaking, then we can take that is a proper breakout and we can take a trade accordingly. So this is all about the today's market. Okay, these all are things basically I am telling you for learning purpose. So every day whatever we have using this CPR, actually it really works, and it works like a magic. Not I am telling, but more than 50% risk reward ratio is there in this indicator. It's not an indicator. Actually you can tell it is a pure price action, because I am using CPR, previous day and low and pivot. That's it. And sometimes I use 20 MA or 5 EMA. That's what I always prefer to use. Okay. So hope this will be helpful for you. One more thing I want to tell you for your learning perspective. What you have to do, okay, you have to see every month how many days are trending day. See, this one is trending day. Okay, this one is kind of trending day. Okay, you have to check how many day in a month is a trending. That trending day, obviously you will make the profit once you are experienced. And maybe 70% of time you will be having sideways or this kind of market where you don't know clear trend. So in that day, what you have to do, you have to save your money. If you save your money that 70 day, then that 30% day you will make the profit. This method you guys follow, obviously you will be successful trader after some time. Not I'm not telling in a 6 months or 3 months you will be, people are making, but normally I'm telling it will take at least 1 to 2 years to get handsome profit. But before that, you have to learn a lot, practice a lot. You have to work out what, how many trade opportunity actually we are getting. What is my risk and reward ratio? Whether I am, people will tell that 1:2 is the great risk reward ratio. It is not like that. And especially you are an option buyer, that won't work all the time. Sometimes you will get 1:1.9, for 0.1% it will return back and it will hit your stop loss. So this is the thing, actually this is more of, I just produce whatever the experience and actually what happening in the market. Okay, so 1:2, one, if your risk reward is 1:1 and your winning ratio is 60, then still you are getting 20% margin, right? 60 you are winning, 40 you are losing, and your risk reward is 1:2 means 50%, you are getting 50%. So your risk and reward ratio is maybe 1:3 and you are getting 40% winning, still you will get very good profit. So accordingly, you have to think that what a risk reward is suiting to you. That is matter. Whether for option buying your risk reward is suiting, or your option selling is suiting to your risk reward ratio. Accordingly, you have to think and categorize. And every day you have to think of how much point actually. If you are not a job goer, basically what you have to do, Nifty how much getting where point, how many actually easily I'm getting. Bank Nifty easily how much I'm getting. Sometimes people are able to cash 10 points easily, but 30 points to get it will take lot of time. Lot of times it will get there stop loss it. So accordingly you have to analyze and you have to do. Okay, this is basically a learning series I am going to produce, and also I am trying to give you daily analysis so that it will be helpful for you. So thank you guys, have a great day.